Oh my gosh. So fluffy. Hey guys, in this video my sister got a little confused about the rules and I'm super sorry, but please enjoy this video. Hi guys, it's Rob.
And Mai.
And this week's theme is Amazing Blank. So we decided to do Amazing Slime, and this slime is actually really amazing. It's fluffy slime.
Yeah.
Fluffy slime, and the ingredients that you're gonna need are glue, contact solution, and shaving cream. What's it called? Foamy shaving cream.
And you're
gonna need food coloring, but we didn't have any, so we're just gonna use this Gatorade and water and mix it together to make food coloring. So let's get on with the video, but also we're going to be doing like putting these Shopkins in there, and we have to find them. That's what we're going to be doing out of this, making a challenge. Just go ahead and bring them back, Riley. Okay.
I get it, baby.
So the first ingredient is the glue.
I got some choosy.
Alright, first ingredient is the glue. Here, Riley, you can do these and I'll do these. Just to open the big lid. Oh. This is taking forever. Okay, so the second ingredient is shaving cream. Or no. Yeah. But first we're gonna go ahead and mix the Gatorade in to get our. Wow, you don't have to do that.
I'm already doing it.
To get the food coloring. It's a lot.
Oh, that is a lot.
Okay.
Wait, I want to mix it too.
This is gonna dye your hands orange.
No.
No, it's not. Hopefully.
Hopefully
Yeah,
not.
it is.
No, it won't.
It won't. I'll spread out the
I put
glue.
a lot in there.
I'm spreading out the glue.
Okay, so we're gonna, I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of this in there because I think you have to pour the coloring in first. I'm not gonna pour a lot because I made, that looks so cool.
It does. Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's go ahead and mix this up. Okay, so we mixed it up. Oh, that's good. Now for the second ingredient, we're gonna put in our shaving cream. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Okay, so we put this on and Riley got a little crazy. She put her hands in it, which she shouldn't have. We're gonna mix this up. Riley, mix it. This is gonna look pink. It's gonna be cool.
Yeah.
See, because it's like pink. You might have to add more food or more coloring.
Yeah, we might have to get off of here. I'm washing my face.
It's like the more you mix it, it gets like really
Give me
thick and
give me
heavy. And
Yeah, it's really heavy right now. Do what you
I'm
want.
just gonna go in there
Yeah, me too.
and fold it. Okay, stop!
I wanna
Don't
fold
try to get messy. Okay?
I want to fold it.
Okay, wait, don't try.
Give me some.
Get messy. I'm sorry. This, it's really like it's starting to come together. We need more contact solution. Riley, get the contact solution. But it's like getting all over us, and
Yeah, we do
it's
need
not
more
really
contact
supposed to do that. So we'll trade off.
It's a very messy video.
We might want to move that Gatorade stuff,
Yeah, it's getting like the foam is in it.
but I don't want it to fall off.
Abby,
I'm gonna go ahead and put the Shopkins and stuff in.
yeah.
I think that might be enough.
Yeah. Wait, what about the TV?
Yeah, get the Here, we'll trade off, Riley. You just keep doing that. And then... Whoa. Chill. We didn't count how many shotguns we had. What if we never find any?
Yeah.
Alright, stop. See, you're about to get in there.
Here. I'm flooding it now.
Okay, take that off my hands. Like, grab it. There you go.
You're getting contact station all over me.
You got that all over me. The solution really brings it together. So this is like a
move
main.
it, Robin.
This is good ingredient.
Robin, move it around.
So technically, it doesn't matter how much glue you add if you just have enough contact solution. Like if you have like 20 bottles of shaving cream and like 3 bottles of glue, you can bring it together with
And
contact
you
solution.
also have to get a lot
we're
of
gonna add that
glue.
third.
You have to get like.
Where's that? There's this.
No, I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna do some.
Pour it all in.
Okay, so now I'm not gonna pour all of it in, but we definitely need more food coloring. It's like going away when we add more shaving cream because it's white, obviously. But it's definitely
Like,
coming
see, it's
together,
white.
and like we'll like
Yeah, like it's not sticky.
like it's not.
anymore.
Well, to you it is. But it's like not. I don't know what the word is. Because it's
Like,
not
it's-
sticky.
like
it's just
It's
like
not sticky, but like it's.
it's so fluffy.
Yeah, it's fluffy like a pillow.
It's like a big pillow. Alright, you want to trade? Probably trade. Oh gosh, you just got that messed up. See, look, I just went wash my hands, and it's like not like so not so sticky anymore. Whoa.
Yeah, like pick it up. Like get a blob and pick it up. I gotta go wash my hands. So can
No.
you do one hand?
Ugh.
I gotta wash my face right now.
Alright, go wash your face, and we'll be right back.
Yeah. I don't even know if I can go in the house.
Yeah, use your foot to open the door. Use your foot. Okay, it's already open. This is so cool. What? Oh. Okay. Ugh. Pause it. So, the more you knead it, the more my voice just got. The more like really heavy it gets, like really
like
heavy.
yeah, like the more
But-
stuff that's in here,
But we also know that it'll come off.
the more heavy it is. Like it's really like it's coming off. Or like it's coming off slowly. So.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start our
And
challenge.
we have to do one hand.
What? No, you don't.
Okay, fine.
And basically, whoever gets the most, if we
Wins.
can't find any more, wins. Hopefully,
And
we
the
don't lose any.
twosies
Yeah,
count
the
too.
twosies count for 2 points.
Because it's twosies, two.
All right, so
Fluff
we're
it up.
just gonna go ahead and start. So hands in the air, Riley. Come on, hurry up. We gotta go. All right, ready? Set,
go. Second.
I got a twosie.
I got.
This is so cool.
No.
There's a lot of shotguns. Another twosie.
Oh my gosh. There's only 2 twosies in there.
It is 3. This is like coming off the shotguns pretty easily.
Oh! No, I got one. Not really for me.
Wait,
Oh,
stop.
stop. I got it. I got 2. Wait, I got 2. I got 2.
There's a lot more in here, and we still have to find them. Riley, you can't just do that. You have to get them and like separate them. Riley, so pick up the slime and take all the shotguns.
Wait,
separately
pause.
from them. No. Okay, so She got a little confused there, but yeah, you have to take them out separately. There's a hair in here. I just felt it. But you have to take them out separately because I had to do that, and like that way you can actually count them. I just found 3. There's like 30 in here that we haven't found.
Oh! I got peckins.
This is pretty fun, actually. This is,
Yeah, it is really fun.
I'm gonna play this with this for days.
Yeah, me too.
My mom's probably gonna make us throw it away. Oh well. Found another Tuesday. I got all 3 Tuesdays. Or did you get a Tuesday?
We didn't get Tuesday.
You didn't? Okay. Well, I got all 3.
Okay, that's enough.
That's 6 points. All 3 Tuesdays. Another one. Kind of like that's literally what you have to do to just get it off of you.
Let's see.
It might not all come off. We should have added more contact solution, but we just wanted to get right on with the challenge.
And plus, we had to pick up her brother.
Riley, look at all that shaving cream that's still up there. Look at mine. Oh, Lacey's out. Look at. See how much, look, Riley, see? Every so often it looks like that. You have to take him out, it doesn't count. I have to do that. Oh, we put a fuzz baby in here. Riley.
That was you.
They're fuzzy, and we just put slime all over.
What's fluffy?
It'll wash off. Fluffy and fuzzy don't really go together. Well, kind of, but I really want to do this. All right, hold on. I don't think there's any more.
Well, I have a lot of hand.
Riley, please stop.
I'm trying to find some more Shopkins. Oh, I felt the hair.
You did? Wait, hold on. Watch
Look
this.
at that.
Oh, that one. Wait, stop. Watch.
Come on. Just do that. I gotta start going. I got little eggy packets.
Great, you can't do that. Oh, thanks. You made me find one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, thanks. Oh, wait, no, that wasn't one. Riley, just got it out here.
I'm looking.
Try to keep it in the bin and off of your clothes.
Well, I don't have anything.
That's not licking. That's like. Stop!
You just
got
want
it on
to
my-
go all over. I'm playing with it still.
Yeah, I think we're pretty much done.
Oh my god.
We did.
Yeah, we're pretty much done. Okay, let's see how much Shopkins
right.
we have.
All right, you have to clean yours out. They don't count yet. You have to clean them out.
No, you clean them out at the end.
No,
Yes.
I had to clean them out. You still have to clean them out, Riley.
There's
Or else
no
they don't
Shopkins
count.
in there.
I don't know, I just really want to do this.
Well, I want to do this too.
Oh.
Oh, I found Shopkins!
I did too. Riley, stop.
You see any?
No. Okay, so we're gonna count Tuesdays. 2, 3. Piece of grass on that one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
I got 21.
Okay.
Ah, there's leaves in here. Get out of here.
Because you rolled in the grass. Look at this, Riley. Look, guys, like.
It was just an accident.
Anyway. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Comment down below.
Comment down below if you like fluffy slime or regular slime better. And I really recommend, if you do this, get a lot of shaving cream.
Yeah.
And a lot of contact solution.
Like, we
please
got-
like this video. If you dislike this video, it's all good. Dislike this video.
Yeah. Next
And
week we
Please
get
subscribe to our channel.
next week we get 20 likes, so we get to do a free theme. So yeah, and Lacey's right there. So we gotta
There's
get
the cat.
shaving cream all
There's an
over.
olive on her. Wait, hold on, I got my hair.
I'm gonna draw
Thank
this.
you guys for watching. Bye.
Woo!
Bye.